everybody. I am Natty G's mom, and I do the editing for the videos that she does for In the Kitchen with Natty G. And as I've been editing, what did I find, Natalie?
Some crazy videos. Some
crazy videos, lots of bloopers. Times we don't even know she's recording. So there's some pretty hilarious moments. We thought we'd put them together into, I'd say, your first blooper reel, because we'll probably do another one of these. So anyways, we hope you enjoy.
Yay! Oh. Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen. It's not even on my eyes. There. Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Natty. Hello and welcome. Oh, hi there, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Natty G.
It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Am I famous yet? Hey Mom, hey Dad, it's me, your son Trevor. I made it on their cooking show. Can you see me?
Not everything funny. I'm doing school. Oh, go to your school. I'm not really doing school. Hi, I'm now in the kitchen with Natty. Move it. You gotta go. I'm coming in from every corner. I'm coming in from every corner. About for 30 to 35 minutes.
30 to 35 minutes.
This is going to be edited. How do you say Be quiet. Okay, so now I'm going. There, soup. So we need spoons. They're not like soup. Hold on. Did I saw you, Cub? Hey. Okay, so that was just our mom. Stop it. I don't think you even heard that. Okay. So here, your cup. Hey! You stepped on the recipe. Hold on. We gotta make sure we can see Macy.
Macy can squeeze in.
Like this? Stop it.
Stop. Mom's gonna be editing for hours because you're like this.
Stop.
Okay.
And spray that. You can do it over a sink. Now I am going to clean off my mixers.
That's not appropriate on a cooking show.
Oh.
You should see your chin now.
I need 9 cups of oatmeal. Well, I'm using the 2 cup.
You should tell me about that. Did it all just go on the floor? Did you just spill the entire one on the floor?
Just like a quarter of it. Wait, we don't have powdered sugar. Okay, so. Whoa! No. Mom, I forgot to preheat my oven.
Go ahead and do it. That's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna pour this in. There. That's a lot of peanut butter. And now we need how much flour again?
What does it say on the side?
Okay, so I'm going to roll my dough out to 1/2 inch of thickness. I don't know how big a 1/2 inch is. Mom, but this thing says 4 tablespoons to 1/4 a cup. Duh. Okay, so we had some technical difficulties. How do you say it?
Technical difficulties.
Okay, we had some.
Sorry,
Sorry. Sorry, we had some technical difficulties. Okay, so now that my dough has what's that word again? Cooled in the refrigerator. I'm going to first put in. We put it in, and I'm gonna put, and then we put it in. So we put in, and I'm gonna put. I'm gonna use. Mom, what are those?
A Silpat.
But I'm gonna use a Silpat.
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 Silpat. So this is a Silpat. Did I say it right?
Yep.
So we turn on the convection in the
Convection.
so that it bakes more fastly and evenly. Okay, so that's 10 minutes. Okay, so that's 10 minutes, and I'm going to. Okay, so that's 10 minutes, and voila, they're ready to bake. Voila, they're ready to bake. Ready to bake. Shh, don't tell Mom. So scrape off the edges of it. The oven is up. Okay. So yeah, that looks good. Now, shake off the spatula. There we go. Okay. 4. Mix it all together. Okay. 1 cup at a time. Baking soda and
Cut that out.
I'm so
Cut!
cut.